Hey guys, what's going on? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here, and it is a Thursday night, but our buddy Farmer Mark is having a garage sale. He's clearing out space. He said I can come check it out before the sale starts tomorrow, so that's what we're doing. Look at you, brave, all just putting stuff out overnight.
That's right.
That's when we did ours. Roxanne was like, should we put it out overnight? I said, as soon as I do, it's going to rain. Look at you. You got a Starbucks collection?
Yep.
So you just, this is the I don't want to pile?
That's too much stuff, man.
Yeah, no, I hear you. I've been spending the last week of vacation organizing my garage.
With Goodwill prices the way they are, I'm just getting so much stuff anymore. I put these out in honor of you.
Look at that. I didn't know Hoka did boots.
Found those today.
Hoka One.
Well, look around.
Yeah, I guess so. I saw though in your listing you said strawberry rhubarb jam.
Yeah, you need some of that.
I need some of that. That's my favorite pie in the entire world. Strawberry rhubarb. I've never seen anything but running shoes, and usually they're beat up.
I comped it at 120.
Really? I mean, it's a fantastic brand. Why wouldn't you list these?
Well, I'm invested in your success.
Old running shoes are $75 from them sometimes. You just never find them in good shape because people use them until they fall apart.
I found one comp sold. It was $120.
Yeah, it looks like. Most of them are new, so.
Yeah. You need a beer while you shop?
That's full service, Mark.
No, I'm serious.
If you're handing them out, do you have more stuff to put on these tables?
A little bit more.
Yeah.
I got a lot of tables. That'll be produce, that table.
I bet you do well with that, all that produce and stuff too.
These are all just fly fishing books. It's from when I got into the business. I used to buy all these books.
I tried to start tying flies, and it's too tedious for me. If I wouldn't have bought a pack of my own last summer, that's a nice pack.
These are some really good quality sleeping bags.
You got these at that sale, didn't you?
Yeah.
I've got one just like this, actually. This is my net. I love it. Oh, you got the decoys over here too? I've got one. I can't move it. I think it's because I just have a single. I bet that gets snapped up quick, Mark.
I don't know. I usually pick them up in the summer and wait till fall to sell them. And then you get a little higher price.
Well, I think, what if we did the Starbucks mugs, Mark? How much are those? What do you want to, like, if I just, because I don't want to sit and look them all up.
I didn't look them all up either. I think there's some good ones in there, though.
Yeah, like I think this is a good one. The raised from Italy. I don't know. I haven't seen one quite like this, which is kind of cool. Like the raised ones do okay. I've sold this one before.
I think that's common, isn't it?
Yeah, most of the big cities and stuff are. So 25 of them. Throw me I know I'll whatever you tell me. That's fair. Well, 25 in your strawberry rhubarb.
Okay, that's 5.
What if we throw let's do these two, because I love selling Hokas whenever I find them, and I know obviously they're valuable.
No, we're good. Shoot me an offer.
Oh, Mark, I don't know, man. I hate doing it with people I know. Especially not looking up the mugs. I don't know, but
Is $2 a mug fair?
yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
Okay, we'll do $2.
because that way, if some of them sit, then it's fine. Because others won't.
Some of these, I don't think there's a whole lot of value like that one.
Right. That's probably one of those little barista sets.
It'll make a good Christmas present to somebody.
Lot those two up together or something. So what is that? That's 50 on the mugs.
And 5 on your rhubarb.
5 on my rhubarb. That is well worth it. So then what do you want on these? I mean, if they're, what, probably 100? And what if I just split it with you? What if we call it just 100?
Okay.
For everything?
Okay.
Is that fair?
That's more than fair.
Okay. All right. Let me put this in the thrift mobile.
Thanks for taking this.
Yeah, for sure. Like I said, I think some of them are probably pretty good. I think so. Oh, you don't have to carry it for me.
Accidentally, this thing here fell in the box. I'm not sure what it is.
All right, so here's all our mugs that slid all the way up into the car when we almost crunched a deer on my way home. Garage sailing in Montana. These are boots that Mark said, hey, I only knew this name because I watched your videos. And he actually picked these up at Goodwill today. Getting them at Goodwill, I think he paid $5.99 for these. And good flip for him because he just sold them for, I don't know, I guess 45 bucks. But these Hoka Ones, these will sell quickly. As soon as I list these, they're going to get interest. Typically, I sell their running shoes. But they do have boots. And these are in great shape. These will probably, you probably heard Mark, I think we were talking on the video. He's probably right. These comp out at about 100, 125 bucks for these. So we gave him $100 for everything. We're going to get that back out of these boots pretty much immediately. And then all of our profit is going to be on all of these mugs. And some of these mugs, these are Starbucks You Are Here mugs, some of them are like these. I don't know that there's much value in these. But there is in like stuff like this. I think this is probably a $20 mug. This is from Italy, I believe, in very nice shape. This one's Tuscany. This one's probably also, I mean, I'd have to look it up, but I'm going to just guess that it's another $20 mug. This one, I've sold this one before. I actually sold them in a set of 2 for, I want to say it was 25 or 30 bucks. I sold a set of 2 of these, so I have sold the Seattle before. This one's just a basic, but it's a nice one. People will like that one. Here we got, again, with the cork bottom, kind of cool. This one, just one of the floral patterns. I'm not sure. It's from 2016, so it's not super old. So some of these will sit longer than others. In California, that's probably a common one, but we can price it to move and, you know, get 10 bucks plus shipping out of it. Over here, Las Vegas. This one's kind of cool. I like this one. Again, here's some patterns. This one is 108. I don't know. I've never seen this one before, actually. 2014. Here's another pattern mug. Some of these pattern mugs are a good hit because there's not a lot of them. See these? There's another one. So we can sell this as a set, probably, is what I'll do. Another California. There's 2 Californias. And there's a Portland. Let's see, and there's more under here too. Okay, so under here we've got, this is the one, I think I've sold one like this before also. This is the Raised Relief. I just sold a Los Angeles one like this. So
That one's pretty cool. The Los Angeles had like a red Corvette. This one's got the ferry on there, which is neat. What is this one? Playa del Carmen. That's kind of cool. It's got some swirl marks in there, but watch Nana Tink. I know how to get them out now. Nana Tink's got a great video on that. Here's another California mug. Here's another "You Are Here" for Utah. Kind of cool. Here is a Colorado. Then we got some city mugs. This is Maui. So that's kind of cool. There you go. You see, Mark got this for $1.49 in 2018, Mark. Because I know that didn't sit there until somebody picked it up. So Mark bought this mug 2 years ago. And he finally got his money back out of it. So, and then this one is Cologne. So that's kind of cool. I think this is probably a decent one. We got, I don't know what this one is. I haven't seen one like this. This one's different. I think there's two of them. Yeah, a little bit smaller. So we've got a nice selection of Starbucks mugs here. I'll put comps up on any of them that are crazy. But here is the winner of the day. Rhubarb Strawberry Jam. And Mark's going to give me one of his rhubarb plants down the road, which I'm very excited about. So this is fantastic. Oh, and then over here, oh, they survived a deer. They should survive me. Mark says, oh, this just fell in. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. You know, it is an old Sony. Who knows if it works or not. It's kind of cool with the strap here. I'm guessing made to walk, run with. I don't know. It's got a little lever up here. I've not seen one like this. It's different. I'll look it up. But yeah, Mark threw in a Walkman.
So that was our haul out at Mark's. He had a lot of great stuff out there. It's just stuff that either I don't have room for or is just not in my area of expertise. So I think we did really well. I've been waiting for this dog across the way to stop barking, and it's not. So we're just going to we're going to talk through it. Mark, I appreciate you, man. It's always fun seeing you, and I loved going out there and helping you out with some cash flow and getting rid of some of your problems. The dog is getting louder, so we're gonna cut this thing off. If you haven't subscribed, we've gained a couple subscribers here in this last week, which is cool. We're looking for that 1.2K. We're getting there. If you hit the bell underneath, that'll let you know when we put new stuff up. If you comment, I'll see it. I see all the comments, try to respond to as many as I can, and all that good stuff. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I sure appreciate it, and we'll see you with more garage sale hauls coming up next time.
Oh no!
Hi, Jaeger. Do something. What are we doing? Are we going to shake? Are we going to shake? Are we going to shake? There you go. Well, that's kind of weak, man. Here. There you go. Good boy. Do the other paw. Do the other paw. Yeah, that's a good boy. All right. That's all you got?